Good morning, everyone. I am Micah, your teacher for today's lesson, and we will tackle about volume of cube, rectangular prism, cylinder, and sphere. So, for the learning objectives at the end of the lesson, you will relate to your math to your real life, develop problem-solving skills, and appreciate shapes in our world. Now, let's dive into exciting realm of cubes, rectangular prism, cylinder, sphere with the help of volume, which is the secret that unlocks this mystery. First, let's define volume. So what is volume? Volume is the measure of the amount of space inside a three-dimensional object. It can be measured in which cubic units such as cm, which is centimeter, cubic meters, and cubic inches. So in my past lesson, we tackled already the different three-dimensional shapes and their meaning. So let's jump into solving. So for our first formula, the formula of volume of cube, which is the volume is equals to side length cube. So let's have an example for you to able to understand the first formula. So first, we write the formula, which is volume is equals to side length cube, and then volume is equals to we need to times the 9 three times. So 9 times 9, 81 times 9 is 729, and don't forget to write the unit, which is the centimeter cube. So the answer will be 729 centimeter cube. So for the next example, the given will be 4 meter. So first, write the formula, which is the volume side length cube, and then the given, which is the volume is equals to 4 meter times 4 meter times 4 meter will be the answer of 64 meter cube. So we need to times the 4 into 3, so we can conclude to our answer 64 meter cube. So now, let's move on to the next shape, which is the rectangular prism. So the formula for the volume of rectangular prism is volume is equals to length times width times height. So let's have an example. So the given will be length will be the 6 centimeter, volume width, which is the 4 meter, and the height will be the 3 centimeter. So first, let us write the formula of rectangular prism, which is the volume is equals to length times width times height, and then the given, which is the length is 6 centimeter, and the width is 4 centimeter, and the height will be the 3 centimeter. So the answer will be um, wait, so 6 times 4 is 24, times 3 is 72, and don't forget to copy the unit, which is the meter cube. Next, three-dimensional shape, which is the cylinder. So the formula will be volume is equals to pi times radius squared times height. So let's have an example for you to understand the formula of cylinder. So the given will be pi, which is 3.14, radius is equals to 4 centimeter, and height will be 10 centimeter. So let's start by writing the formula first. So volume is equals to pi times radius squared times height, and then let's write the 3.14, which is the pi, and the 4 centimeter, which is in the cube, and then the 10 centimeter. And next step will be bring down the 3.14, and then times the 4 into 2 times in 4 into 2 times, which is 4 times 4 will be 16. So and then bring down 10 centimeter. So next, bring down again the 3.14, and then let's and then we multiply 16 times 10 will be 160 centimeter. So then, after that, we need to multiply 3.14 to 160 centimeter, and our answer will be 502.4 centimeter cube. So don't forget the minute, the unit, to write it down. So the answer will be the 502.4 centimeter cube. So for the next example, the given will be pi is equals to 3.14, radius will be 4 meter, and the height will be 8 meter. So first, let us write the formula, which is the pi times radius squared times height. And then volume is equals to 3.14, which is the pi, and 4 meter, which is the radius, and then 8, which is the height. So next is, will we bring down the 3.14, and then we will multiply 4 into 2 times, which is 4 times 4 is will be 16, and then bring down the 8 meter. So next, we will bring down the 3.14, and then we will multiply 16 and 8, and the product will be 401.92, and don't forget to write the unit, which is the meter cube. So for the next shape, the volume of sphere, the formula of it is volume is equals to 4/3 times pi times radius cube. So the given here is radius is equals to 8 centimeter. For you to understand the volume of sphere, let us have an example. So the given will be 8 centimeter. So first, let us write the formula, 4/3 times pi times radius cube. So that next, bring down 4/3 and 3.14, and the radius will be 8 centimeter cube. So next, bring down 4/3 and 3.14, and then solve for 8 cube, which will be 8 times 8, 64 times 8, 512 centimeter cube. So next, multiply 4 to 3.14, and then the sum of 2 will be multiplied to 512 centimeter cube. So the answer will be 6,430.72, and we will divide it by 3 in the 4/3. So 3 divide 3, the answer will be 2,143.57 centimeter cube.